So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to get organized with your research and citations, so today's video is for you. So we are going to cover how to download and install the Zotero app, the word plugins, and also browser connector, so you can easily manage your sources. So let's get started. So for you to have your Zotero app running on your computer like this one, is this that is already running, and you can see I've cited a lot of books and journals, and also all the information that I read and prepared a paper, have cited, and all the information is here. That is the Zotero app. Then we also have the Zotero word plugin that is here, that is acting as a tab here, a Zotero tab in Microsoft Word. Then once we go also back to Microsoft this Chrome, the browser, we also have this Chrome extension as Zotero connector here. So for you to do that, to download all of this, you need to go to your browser, open up your browser, then go ahead and type in Zotero download. So once you click on Zotero download, you can decide to download them from Softonic, or you can download them from any of the site, the site that you trust. So I can just go ahead and click on the first one. Once I click on the first one, you can see there's these options here. You have the Zotero connector. You just click on it, then it will install. Then you will add it as an extension. It will go here, up here as an extension on your Chrome. Then you can go ahead and pin it up here. Then the other thing that you need to download is the app now itself. So you just click on this. If it's compatible to 64-bit computers. So you just click on that, then it will start to download. Once it's done to downloading, you go ahead and now if you can just click here to see installation help, you can see here you have the Windows version, run the setup program you download. Then there is also the Mac version, there's the Windows, then there's the Linux. So there's instructions that are given here on how you're going to download your version and make sure it is running on your Windows. So if you're using Linux, you can still download it. And then you can also, if you have an older version, you can also, here you have how do I upgrade to a new version. You've been given information here, and it says that Zotero should update itself automatically by default. You can also troubleshoot. So there's a lot of information here that you can, you have also installation instructions. Where do I download Zotero? How do I install Zotero? How do I upgrade to a new version? You have been just told there how you can do that. So if you click on installation information, you get it from here. If you're using Linux, just follow this instruction, then you will get your Zotero running. So once your Zotero is already downloaded and you have installed it on your computer, you'll go ahead and also download what we call the Zotero word plugins. So just go back here and again type in the Zotero plugin. So something like this, the word plugin. Once you click on word plugin, it takes you to this section that says installing the Zotero word plugins. So these plugins will help you to have that Zotero tab on your Microsoft Word. So you go ahead and click on that word processor integration. Once it's done downloading, it will automatically appear here in your Word as one of the tabs. So you can go ahead and now start citing your document. Because once you have all these set up, you have your Zotero app, you have your Zotero connector connected to your browser, then you also have the Zotero plugin appearing as a tab in your Microsoft Word, then you're ready to go. So once you here, and let's say, for example, I want to cite this document or this statement, I want to do in-text citation. So I'll just highlight it. Then I'll go back to the Word, to my browser. Then I can look for Google Scholar, because it's the where work that has been published is on Google Scholar. So put there the text, click OK. Then you can go customize the range between 2020 to 2025. Make sure your articles are 5 years old. Then you can go ahead and now pick the book that you want to cite. So let's say, for example, it is this one, the first one. I've just clicked on the first one. Let it open. Now, if you can go ahead and read it and see if the information that you want to cite is there, well and good. So once you get the information that you want to cite is in this article or this book, then you will go ahead and use Zotero to cite it in your work. So just make sure you go through this work and see what happens just to counter check. So once done, go and click on the Zotero extension that you saved there, that you pinned on your browser. Click on it. Once you click on it, it goes directly and saves your article directly to your Zotero app. And you make sure this Zotero app is running during this process. So once you've downloaded it and installed it, make sure you open it before you run anything. So the information from online, it will come and store itself here. So you can see you have the title, you have the authors, and you have the names of the authors, different authors and co-authors. Then you can go back to your Word, then put here the cursor at the end of that statement, put a space, go back to Zotero app, click on it, then click Add Citation. Then it will automatically cite there. Now click Enter. Now you realize that this is already giving me citation, but you don't know which type of citation is that. Is it APA, MLA, or other types of citation? For you to determine that, you click on Document Preferences. Then you can check from here. It is giving me American Psychological Association APA format, the 7th edition. So let's say, for example, I want to work with MLA edition. I will just click on this, the 9th edition, then click OK. Then Zotero will automatically update the information in that article from APA to MLA. Then if you want to add these citations as references down there, just click Add Bibliography. Then immediately they will be added down there. Click OK. Then they will be added on your reference list down here in your document. So when you scroll down, you have your information down there already added, and those are the articles that you've cited. And that is it. You now know how to download and install the Zotero app, the Word plugins, and browser connector. Zotero will help you to stay organized, manage your references, and also generate citations with ease. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have a question, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.